following is a conversation for any tech entrepreneur or anyone in general looking forward to be launching their own product because it is about product design, maximizing user need and value, design workflow, and more with Miss Komal Panda, a James Dyson Award winner for designing NovoCarry, a portable insulin carrying cooler that has revolutionized diabetes. Also, 86.1% of you watching this have not subscribed yet. So if you get even the slightest bit of value from our show, please support us by clicking that subscribe button so that we can keep improving the quality of the episodes and keep on bringing such wonderful guests over for you. I'm Bhavadhir V. Bharadwaj. Welcome to episode 20 of Genesis of Tomorrow. And now, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Enjoy and thank you. And and we are rolling now.
All right.
There isn't any
No pressure.
no, none at all. There isn't any particular format that I like to
Yeah.
pursue apart from a final segment that we'll subsequently reach to. But um, tell me about
Yeah.
how you got into this. Like, when did you know that, okay, designing stuff, and not designing as in fashion designing and all, but like designing
Yeah.
products, technology, all that. How did you got into it? How did you know
Oh,
that
all
this
right.
was the thing?
So, like I told you, like the clarity you have in your first year, I did not, and I'll tell you my whole thing. Okay. A lot of people at an ID they come in where they already know what they want to do. Like I have this friend who's like this great product designer, and he already knew he wanted to do design, like whether it's graphic design or I think he was really interested in packaging and stuff, and he really wanted to pursue that, but that didn't pan out, and he's now doing product design great at that too. But like 10th and 12th in, he already knew what he wanted to do. I didn't know that. For actually in my 11th and 12th I was preparing for law. I know, completely different. I was preparing for CLAT, and that didn't work out. I got like a couple of colleges, not the NLUs that I wanted. Right, CLAT mein you're preparing for NLUs, and I was like very devastated. And I was like very good with art. So I'm from Odisha, right? It's very art inclined, all of that. And I have been in drawing classes since like my childhood, and so I was like very artsy, right? Like fine artsy, for the lack of a better word. And I was like, oh, okay, so what am I going to do? So I looked up ki, oh, what do people in fine arts can they do? Because my dad was like, bro, do something. You're like age nikal raha hai. You're like 18 khatam hone wala, 19 is starting to roll around. Do something. And I'm looking up, and I applied to Christ Bangalore. I applied to like a couple of other places. I'm applying to like random BA colleges, like in Pune, in Delhi, and all. कि like कहीं तो हो जाए, कहीं तो चले जाऊं. And then one day, my aunt who used to teach me drawing, she comes over and she's like, "There's this coaching who's teaching for NIFT. Why don't you appear for NIFT?" I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Clat हुआ नहीं है, right? And I'm like, all right, you know what? I'll give this a try. I'll give NIFT. तो NIFT मैं coaching गई, and I hated like everything about NIFT, to be completely honest. ठीक है. I've always thought fashion, like, so fashion is not for me, like, in the sense I'll tell you why. I've always had like a understanding ki like fashion is often like a very rich people's game, and I did not particularly enjoy that ki at least that was my understanding then. ठीक है, so this is like an 18-year-old talking about it who does not have like the sensibilities of textile craftsmanship, all of that then. And I was like, oh, that's not working out. And I met someone at that coaching who had dropped for 2 years preparing for NID. And this guy was so passionate, like head on. He wanted to do product design. He's dropped 2 years by that point. He's 20 and he's still appearing for NID. And I was like, okay, so what's this NID thing? And I find out about NID. And by this time, my drop year has started, by the way. And I like get into NID the next year. And from that coaching, I was like the only person who got into NID. Okay. And I still like anytime anything happens. So like that person who actually inspired me to apply for NID, they didn't get in, but they were in some architecture college after that, SPA, I think. And it's very interesting to see that people who are interested in design will do so, like will pursue design no matter where they are. Because last I heard, he was in architecture college, but he started like a design club, some sort of like graphic design, product design, some club that he started there, and he's like leading it. he must be in his fourth or fifth year by now, right? So what I'm trying to say is कि design is more than just a college. Like आप कहीं पे भी रह के करते हो, and it's more of like a mindset, a lifestyle. It's more than like some of the best designers that I've come across are not even formally educated in design, right? They do not need the formal education, and they pursue design just because they enjoy tinkering around with fonts, with typefaces, colors, and all of that. So yeah, so I just happened to get into NID, and beautiful paper, like chumma paper, and I fell in love with the college when I gave the paper. Like it's, you don't have to prepare for the paper. You just need to be in like the mindset where you're like, "Ki, anything you throw at me, I'll try to solve it," and that's all you need for the paper. You don't need to like, a lot of these coachings, they're like, oh, we'll train you, we'll give you this, we'll give you that. You can't give someone a mindset. Like it's not like JE where you can prepare for it, where in the sense that there's a set syllabus, or like पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स करके आपका कुछ भला हो जाएगा, बिकॉज एनआईडी नेक्स्ट ईयर कंप्लीटली चेंज कर देंगे एक ईयर पैटर्न. देयर इज नथिंग यू कैन डू अबाउट इट. देयर इज नो प्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी टू इट. And I was COVID batch, right? Because I had dropped a year. So then we had a second rounds, which was supposed to be a studio test. I never gave a studio test. We had a portfolio rounds, poster, and interview. So I remember for my poster, so I was convinced कि मेरा नहीं होगा at this point because my rank in my first round was kind of low. But for my poster round, I don't remember the exact topic. कुछ तो था, I can't remember. I think I'll need to go check अभी. But this was right when I had lost my mother to COVID. Like she had cancer and then I lost her to COVID. So I had seen like that whole phase where she was going like jumping through circles to get beds at the hospitals and stuff. And I made a poster on that. I still remember I made a poster on that कि कितना डिफिकल्ट था टू गेट ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स, टू गेट बेड्स एट आईसीयूज. बेड मिल जाता था, आईसीयू में नहीं मिलता था. एंड दैट वाज व्हाट माय पोस्टर वाज अबाउट, एंड इट गॉट सिलेक्टेड, एंड देन आई गॉट अ सीट in ID Kurukshetra, and then here I was. So yeah, it was all very like circumstance based ki one step at a time wala. I was figuring out the next step just as I go along. I did not have like a roadmap or a plan. And even in my first year, I was convinced I wanted to be a filmmaker because I wanted to document stories, I wanted to tell stories. And but no, I came across people who inspired me. And like pehle, like when I was applying for an ID and all of it, I came across people who really inspired me with their work at industrial design, and then that's what I took up. So yeah, there's no one set roadmap key, how do you get into it. It's very much figuring it out as you go along. It's सबका path linear नहीं होता. A lot of people know that they want to do design बहुत पहले ही, and they're preparing like any other entrance. And some of us just fell into the bucket, but it has been a fun ride.
There are a lot of aspects here that I would love to touch upon, starting
Huh.
with have you were you brought up was your early childhood in Orissa?
Yeah, I am in Odisha. Like I'm from
Okay,
Odisha.
right,
I've
right, right.
lived in Odisha. Yeah.
So, how has the culture around you? Because you did
Hmm.
mention how, and Orissa in general just has a very
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
rich cultural heritage, right?
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
How's that shaped your artistic choices and your artistic mindset in general?
Bro, so like with Odisha and Bengal, like I can only speak for these two states. They're very arts driven. Like whether it's literature, whether it's craftsmanship, whether it's like आप आप पैदा होते हो and it's like कि आपकी मम्मी won't wear anything other than a bomkai or a ikat sari or something. Like they, everyone knows, like there's an appreciation for textile, there's an appreciation for dhokra, there's an appreciation for pipli, chandua, all of this. Like these are just crafts outside out of Odisha. And it's the same in Bengal, right? It's the same. Like so my best friend was from Bengal, and her upbringing is the same. आप पैदा होते हो आपको सिंगिंग क्लास छोड़ देते हैं, आप पैदा होते हो आपको ड्राइंग क्लास छोड़ देते हैं. एंड या लाइक I think वो environment where you are supposed to pick up a arts as you go along. Like okay, आप engineering कर रहे हो, ठीक है, ये लो गिटार बजा दो. आप कुछ और प्योर साइंस परस्यू कर रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं, आपका लिटरेचर, आपका ड्राइंग चलता रहेगा. Like at least that's what I've seen in like families and in my neighborhood. And that was the same for me. Like my aunt is an artist, my mom used to draw a bit, and I picked up fine arts, and I picked up literature, and literature, social sciences, all of that. Like I picked up reading at a very young age. But other than arts, I didn't pick up much else, like no science and stuff. Like I was horrible at it.
No, I agree. I feel in general the environment around of a kid that really
Hmm.
affects their in general state of mind and the kind of inclinations that they have
Yeah.
towards domains and subjects and all of that.
Hmm, hmm,
And
hmm, hmm.
more often than not, once you choose a specific domain, then how much you're fueled towards it and to what direction. Like in design also there are various aspects that you can take.
Yeah.
Somebody would be using a lot more edges and
Hmm,
lines, somebody would be using curves and different shades, specific textures and all that.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
Talk to me about how, for in regard to product designing, for an entrepreneur maybe who's starting out, what are the key markers or parameters that are needed to be kept in mind to guide their entire process of designing a product?
I don't think I got your question. Could you repeat that?
Okay, yeah. uh, for an entrepreneur, what are the key
Hmm.
parameters or markers that they need to keep in mind to guide their designing process of their product?
Okay, I think I have a very strong opinion on this, and like you can cut this out if you want. But India mein so, I do keep an eye on like ki what startups doing what, and like what startups are doing very well. There are some startups that are doing like crazy work, but often like Shark Tank ho gaya, even otherwise आप LinkedIn वगैरह पे देखते हो, a lot of entrepreneurs in India are doing white labeled goods. Like मतलब there's no great product design particularly happening in India, and that maybe bahar ka companies are not doing, in the sense ki I don't know what it is, because we have a slew of good product designers, good graphic designers, and all of that in India itself. But chalo theek hai, for the layman, like let me just take Shark Tank as an example. ठीक है, like I think everyone, you've watched Shark Tank, I've watched Shark Tank India. इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आते हैं, देन दे आर जस्ट लाइक ओ हम चाइना से इंपोर्ट करते हैं, एंड देन वी जस्ट लाइक change the labeling and all of it, and we sell it. Like we have manufacturers there, and it's like वो लोग खुद कुछ नहीं बना रहे. Like they're not, there's no actual design that's happening on their front. And either like a lot of the startups that I'm seeing are like a lot of the entrepreneurs, what like in my opinion what they're doing is either something around labor, the idea of labor itself, because India may, we really do have cheap labor, right? Abhi something like at least to my understanding, why does Blinkit वगैरह work so well in India? Because you know 10 मिनट में डिलीवरी करने के लिए मे बी इतना लेबर फोर्स है ही नहीं वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में. हमारे पास वी हैव सो मच अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, वी हैव सो मच लाइक वी हैव सच अ लार्ज चंक ऑफ एम्प्लॉयबल लाइक वर्किंग पॉपुलेशन की हम उनको वी कैन लाइक use them in these ways, and that's good. Great for that, like anyone who's generating employment. But when it comes to product design, like I think I'm like, when it comes to product design, I was very like, I saw all of the seasons of Shark Tank India, and I was like, and then there were some startups that were doing really well. There was that one guy from MIT who was he had that sports wala thing, if you remember. It would track your progress, like where you would like go.
Yeah.
He had made that
Mm-hmm.
with Studio Carbon. Insane, great product, right? And yeah, like I loved that product so much. Then there were those sleeping pod thingies, if you remember those. Great, like the form is great, everything is so great. But वो इतना far, like वो इतना far in between थे ना, like इतने like ओ ये लो 40 startups and उसमें एक दो अच्छे product design वाले डाल दो. And I was like, are we not valuing product design as much? Like even okay, so I'll give you this just as my experience. This is, do not take this as actual fact of the matter, but अभी placements हो रहा है, right, everywhere, like all of like my batch is graduating, the batch above us is sitting for placements. UI UX and all, there's so much like demand, like people are going for UI UX, like they're getting placed. I know some of the best minds in product design. Like, it's so difficult to find an internship like that, like aligns well. I'm not saying कि नहीं है, ठीक है, I'm not saying नहीं है, like of course है, but जिस क्वांटिटी में हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनर्स हैं, लाइक गुड प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनर्स, क्या हमारे पास उस क्वांटिटी में लाइक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और लाइक लाइक आर, क्या वो डिमांड, सप्लाई एंड डिमांड वाली थिंग है, राइट? लाइक, एंड आई थिंक how a lot of people are battling that is they're starting with their own ventures. Like a lot of people in my batch, like they're going ahead with their own ventures and stuff because they're like, हो गया हमारा placement वगैरह से उम्मीद उठ गई, and I have this idea and I'm going to take this forward, which is also like my idea with Novo Carry. Someday I'll change the name of it, but yeah, it's, that is my idea with it someday ki कुछ तो, like even if you fail, like खराब भी अगर कुछ बना, कुछ तो बनाओ, कुछ तो इन हाउस बनाओ. कोई फोन नहीं बनते हमारे यहाँ, टीवीज नहीं बनती हमारे यहाँ. इंडिया में कहाँ प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन की कमी है? लाइक वो माइक्रोमैक्स, आई थिंक माइक्रोमैक्स वाज इंडिया, राइट? लावा वाज इंडियन. कहाँ 5 साल पहले, यू नॉट हर्ड अ पीप फ्रॉम देम नाउ. And we are so run over from Chinese products. I'm not saying they're bad, like they're good, like they're such masterminds at manufacturing, but इन हाउस कुछ तो बनाओ, इन हाउस बनने की जरूरत है. तो या आई थिंक more than what aspects of product design an entrepreneur needs to keep in mind, I think product design to कर रखो mind में. Like I'll tell you, like even like I was freelancing अभी, and इतना money they spend on marketing, like these startups, ठीक है, इतना, like no shame to that, ठीक है. I do not run a startup and I do not know what it takes, right? Like, so I can't be the one to say that. They spend so much money on marketing, they spend so much money on uh like the rest of it, like like just marketing and related things, like I'm forgetting the words for it, but you they but essentially वो लोग white label कर रहे चीजें, and they would just want us to change something slightly and repackage it in a certain way, and it's just like heartbreaking कि like हम भी तो बना सकते हैं same चीज.
That
Yeah.
was, this is why I really like to, when I talk to people, I really like to give the example of Apple.
Huh.
They zeroed down on two
Yeah, yeah,
aspects.
yeah, yeah.
One was marketing and everything, but
Hmm.
before that, they were like,
Huh.
no, the prerequisite to do that is to first
Huh.
design a product
Huh.
that is just, that cannot go unnoticed.
Hmm.
And they keep on doing that. They still keep on doing that. Like if you
Do they still keep on doing
no, as
that?
compared to the first iPhone. I mean,
Yeah,
now
no,
that
no,
it's
okay.
all just the camera angles get changed and
No, 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 it's
everything.
fine. Like even the Mac Mini this year is so good. Like if I have to buy a computer, I'd totally buy that. Like like I understand what you mean with Apple, right? Like
Hmm.
they have their like Apple's so good. Like abhi, if anyone has to, like some professional has to go buy a laptop, the like the M1, M2, M3 chips, they're just so good कि M1 इतना पुराना हो गया, but I even hear people saying कि oh like अभी अगर मेरे को laptop लेना होगा, I'd rather buy a old, like I'd rather buy a M1 something than go for a Windows laptop. Like they're doing something right? And yeah, like I'm not particularly the person to speak on tech because I'm not very educated on it, but every time anyone brings up Apple, मेरे को हमेशा याद आता है when Steve Jobs walked out with his little envelope and he opened it, thinnest MacBook yet. I was like, great.
Precisely.
हाँ.
And that again comes back to the point of when you were mentioning Micromax and Lava and all those things.
हाँ. हाँ.
Like, even if you look at the Chinese counterparts that are dominating the
हाँ.
market, maybe Vivo or Oppo or these things,
हाँ. हाँ. हाँ.
they they have
हम्म.
made sure that the product is just
हाँ.
cannot go unnoticed. Again, coming back to that,
हाँ. 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 हाँ.
and it's very, 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 very important, as you said,
हम्म.
uh, for entrepreneurs to actually realize that product designing
हाँ.
is a very seminal part at large
हाँ. हाँ.
of the entire
Yeah.
startup
Yeah.
process,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. And you can't rush it. Like I'll tell you, like
Hmm.
everyone, like I've worked with like very small startups, like whatever I've worked with, thoda bahut. Like, and even I see my friend like who does like freelance a lot. Like I see like projects that are working. They're just like, oh, jaldi se just make a model, just make something and give it like एक month में. तो आप टाइम लो पहले, आप हमें टाइम मत दो, आप टाइम लो, आप बैठो, आपको क्या पसंद है, लाइक आई अंडरस्टैंड आपको इन्वेस्टर्स को दिखाना है, आपको चाइना लेके जाना है, शेंजन लेके जाना है, बट आप तो बैठो, थोड़ा धैर्य लो, थोड़ा, है ना, थोड़ा लाइक
Hmm.
give it time, like let it sit, like let the designer sit with his ideas, let the designer have multiple sessions with like other designers, have multiple whiteboarding sessions and all of that, like just instead of डिजाइन बीइंग अनदर कॉग इन द व्हील, लाइक आई थिंक ये सब बोलेंगे, लाइक आप इंजीनियर को पूछो तो इंजीनियर बोलता है वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर है, डिजाइनर को पूछो वो बोलता है वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर है, एमबीए को पूछो वो बोलता है वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर है। आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इनटू दैट, सब इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट especially tech and design, tech, I'm not speaking of, not my domain, but design, like sit with it, no, thoda like sit with it, like up, I take a little time with it, like let it thoda marinate and let it cook thoda sa to, for the lack of a better word. And yeah, like I think if we just stop rushing the process of design ki, like okay, we just need to make something, we need to manufacture something, like chop 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 chop, and give it time, I think a lot of startups would do like really good. Like as I said, like I can't remember their name, like they did this sports product, like it was this big and it tracks your progress, it has its app and everything, great, the form is great, the functionality was great, it looked great, everything was so good about it, because and they spoke of कि, like this guy has been working on that product since his internship, like and अभी तो उसको time हो गया होगा, and it had been such a long time. And even with Novo Carry, right, coming to Novo Carry, like I don't want to call it Novo Carry because I'm like looking to change its name, but Joby, coming to the product, I got like so many mails from like people who invest ki, oh, we want to invest in your product, like we want to invest, like we would invest in your product, let us help you with the patent process, do you want to figure out distribution, like we distribute medical devices here in America, or someone reached out after like I think out of like Uganda, I'm like कि, इंडिया में नहीं बना, मैं युगांडा कहाँ पहुंच भेजू, बट yeah, so what I'm trying to say is कि I could have jumped into it, right, like कि I could have been like, oh okay, give me investor money, I will figure out, like okay, I do not have a working prototype yet, I would somehow figure out like the internals a little more and like get a working prototype and jump into it. But I'm like, literally 8 हफ्ते का project था, like whatever you see on the screen is 8 weeks of work, right? And I think that is so insufficient, like ah and I need to sit with it, like, and I'm so glad for like the mentorship and exposure Tyson has given, like James Dyson Award, like the people that they have given, like the in mentorship they have like opened up to us, because now I have like the time and space ki, okay, I can like take a step back and I'm like looking at like the product as a whole, where all did I go wrong, and there's so many places I went wrong, right? And I want to really like narrow down on it to the best of my ability before I take on ki, like okay, time to get investor money and like make this into a real thing. Like do you know what I mean? Like I really need to, till the last bit of my understanding, I want to finesse it till I want to jump into कि, like okay, इसको startup बनाना है अभी. If I hope that makes
But
sense. Hmm.
on the other side of the coin, there are also people who sometimes get overly obsessed with the aspect of this pre-production that they aren't able. They seek perfection, like they are like, things have to be perfect and everything, and umpteen times that might even lead to stagnation. How do you know that this thing right now is ready?
Okay, so I'll tell you my perspective on the question. ठीक है. Uh, like I'll give you an idea. So when I finished the product, it, like as you see it right now, it was Tabhibi, like which was last semester, and uh I had the choice ki whether I wanted to apply for awards or like work on it a little more and apply for awards next year. I thought about it. क्या मेरा कुछ जा रहा है if I put this out there? Not really, right? Like, am I losing anything? Not really. And I did that. I applied to awards with it. कहीं से रिजेक्शन आए, कहीं पे नहीं आए, कहीं पे it went through. And what I'm trying to say is कि आपको लग रहा है, तो मेरे को अभी भी पता है, मेरे को तभी भी पता है था कि दिस इज नॉट डन, एंड अभी भी पता है कि दिस इज नॉट डन, आई नीड टू जीरो डाउन मोर. बट you have to like also put yourself out there, if that makes sense, like in the sense ki uh, coming to portfolios, right? Like I'll give you an example, like I don't know if you guys in engineering have portfolios. We have portfolios, like by our fourth year we should have like culmination of projects. A lot of people get wrapped up in the idea कि okay मेरा portfolio ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, each model, each render, each screen should look so picture perfect, the website should look like this, the layout, कि वो खत्म ही नहीं कर पाता है पोर्टफोलियो, एंड देन इंटर्नशिप्स वगैरह के लिए अप्लाई नहीं कर पाता है, टाइम चला जाता है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एवरीथिंग इज अ वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस, एंड जितना भी हुआ डालो, सबमिट करो, आगे बढ़ो, कीप वर्किंग ऑन इट. कोई रोक थोड़ी रहा है कि ये थोड़ी हो गया कि आप एक बार पोर्टफोलियो पोस्ट कर दिया या फिर एक बार एक प्रोडक्ट को आपने डाल दिया कहीं पे कॉम्पिटिशन्स के लिए, आप नहीं डाल सकते. माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ इट इज कि अगर मैं तभी डाली होती है ना, अगर कहीं पे भी सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ होता, ऐसे तो लाइक आई वुड नॉट हैव बीन डीमोटिवेटेड, बिकॉज मेरे को तो पता था ना कि अरे भाई इसमें बहुत काम बाकी है. आई ऑलरेडी नो कि लाइक इसमें बहुत काम बाकी है, आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट नेक्स्ट, लाइक टिल नेक्स्ट ईयर. तो might as well put yourself out there, like always whenever you're thinking ki like perfectionism वगैरह, I do not know how to answer it because I'm not a perfectionist myself. And but all I can say is कि like I am a staunch believer in put yourself out there. क्या ही हो जाएगा, कौन काटने भाग रहा है, राइट? लाइक आप कुछ भी पोस्ट कर दो, आप कुछ भी लाइक सेंड योर वर्क टू प्लेसेस, सेंड योर वर्क टू पीपल. मेरा पोर्टफोलियो must be so mediocre compared to so many other people, right? But I'm not ashamed of sending it to like uh, people I look up to in the industry. I'm like, hey, can you take a quick look at this? Because वो चार चीजें बोलेंगे, I understand. Like, okay, let's say the perfect portfolio is a 10. मेरे ability में मैंने 6 क्रिएट किया है, तो I know कि मेरे पास 4 बचा. I have to go that extra mile. बट मैं किसको भेजूंगी एंड दे गिव देयर रिव्यू, और 2 मार्क्स ऐड हो जाएंगे, वो 10 का 12 बन जाएगा ना. मेरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ व्हाट अ परफेक्ट पोर्टफोलियो इज वुड राइज, एंड देन आई हैव मोर टू वर्क टुवर्ड्स. एंड दैट ओनली हैपेंस व्हेन यू पुट योरसेल्फ आउट देयर कि टेक हार्ट, टेक हैव द करेज फॉर क्रिटिसिज्म. आपका ही काम बेटर होने वाला है. जो क्रिटिसाइज करे उनको क्या ही मिल रहा है ना. जब आप पोर्टफोलियो कहीं पर डालोगे, 4 लोग कमेंट करेंगे कि हे दिस कुड हैव बीन बेटर, दिस कुड हैव बीन बेटर, आप बेटर कर लोगे. Everything's online, everything's editable. At least that's my perspective with it. Like anyone who's trying to create anything, like
Hmm.
project ho, portfolio ho, anything, just put it out there. आप phases में डाल सकते हो ना. like एक बार end all थोड़ी है कि ओ मैंने नोवो कैरी डाल दिया, I can't work on it ever again. नहीं, मेरे को रोक थोड़ी रहा है. I can still continue working on it, and now I have so much more feedback because I did put it out there. Like I have so many people reaching out like with so much great insights that I'll keep that in mind now.
Right, right. Okay, I think I to sort of put all that you said together. I think that answered the question that I asked about perfectionism.
Hmm.
In a way, as in you should know
Hmm.
when your designing process
Hmm.
is getting a little overboard and is
Hmm.
rendering you stagnant or becoming a hindrance in your growth to an extent, right? That is, show your work. Do not be
Huh.
afraid or ashamed to show your work just because you think that it is incomplete, because
Hmm.
you are ready to be working on that even when it is out there. Correct?
Huh.
Right?
Huh. Huh. Yeah.
But in the same breath, do not be hasteful to put out that product into the market
Hmm.
as
Hmm.
an
Hmm.
entrepreneur and compromise on your vision for the
क्वालिटी
designing
और डिजाइन,
process.
या बिकॉज आप देख रहे हो दोनों का माइंडसेट अलग है. अगर आप कहीं पे पोस्ट कर रहे हो, किसी को भेज रहे हो, आप वो भेज रहे हो लाइक इफ आई एम सेंडिंग यू समथिंग कि हे भवदीर कैन यू टेक अ लुक एट दिस, मैं ये देख रही हूँ कि ये मेरे को 4 चीज बताएगा. इफ यू आर पुटिंग इट आउट फॉर लाइक you're putting it out for investing and all of that, like you're putting it out in the market, you're chasing a quick buck, you're chasing a quick exit, like something like that, right? Again, like I do not want to talk about startups because I've never had one. I don't particularly know how they work, and होगा उनका भी. I'm sure they have their reasons, right? Like they are people, they're doing something right. Like that's what I think about it anyways.
Coming to the job market, talk about in the designing field, you said that umpteen people are venturing out on their own, and the in general condition of internships and jobs in this area is rough, to say the least.
Yes, yes.
Why is it that? How can it be? How can the situation be bettered? And as an individual in this field, how do you do just what you do?
भाई मैं अपना ओपिनियन दूंगी तो मेरे ऑफर रिवोक ना हो जाए बस. So, all
Hmm.
right. So, I'll give you from the point of internships. आपने की है 15 लाख की डिग्री. ठीक है. डिजाइन इज नॉट चीप. डिजाइन इज, एक तो नाम के गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस है, जितने फीस हैं, आई डोंट नो इंजीनियरिंग की क्या फीस होते हैं, बट हमारे जितने फीस हैं, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या बात का सब्सिडाइज्ड एजुकेशन है ये, है ना. बट ठीक है. द अमाउंट यू पे फॉर योर एजुकेशन, एंड जब आपको फोर्थ ईयर के एंड में दिखता है कि ओ आपकी 10,000 या फिर 15,000 रुपए की इंटर्नशिप लगी है, एंड आप फोर्थ ईयर ग्रेजुएट के हिसाब से यू हैव टू आस्क फॉर मनी बैक होम, एंड लोग बोलेंगे कि ओ व्हाई डोंट यू फ्रीलांस, व्हाई डोंट यू हैव अ साइड वेंचर. No one should have to have a side venture. Like a job and internship should pay एक बेसिक सस्टेनेंस जितना तो. लाइक आप समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. लाइक आई हैव फ्रेंड्स हु आई हैव इंटर्न फॉर फ्री. ठीक है. लाइक आई हैव डन अनपेड इंटर्नशिप्स. माय ओपिनियन ऑन अनपेड इंटर्नशिप्स इज कि जब मैंने किया था मेरे को काम इतना कम आता था कि दैट वाज एक्चुअली बेनिफिशियल फॉर मी. I still think everyone should be paid, but the skill set that I was taking to the table, and like the skill set I walked away from the table with, insane. Like worth it. मेरे लिए worth it. But I can understand कि इस डे एंड एज में आप कैसे बोल रहे हो अनपेड इंटर्नशिप करने को. आप स्टाइपेंड 10,000 रुपए कैसे दे रहे हो. आप बैंगलोर बुला रहे हो बच्चों को 10,000 रुपए के स्टाइपेंड पे. आप सच्ची बताओ. लाइक आप अब दिल पे हाथ रख के बोलो कि ऑनेस्टली लाइक आपका कंपनी 20,000 रुपए अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता बच्चे को देने को, अगर वो बैंगलोर 5 डे वर्क वीक के लिए बुला रहा है. वो रहेगा, खाएगा, कम्यूट करेगा, एंड यूर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि 21-22 साल का बच्चा घर से पैसे मांगे हमेशा. लाइक दैट्स नॉट फेयर, राइट. एंड so yeah, I am seeing a lot of people like in my batch like venture out. Like I know some of my friends who are really into the startup game. Like they have a couple of ideas that they want to uh, really take forward into like startups. And I know people who want to have their own studios or like freelance full time, because that does give you more autonomy over how you charge, how much you charge, and all of that. Like so yeah, the job market is quite disappointing, है ना. Like if you're in UX, count yourself lucky, count your lucky stars, because आपको तो आपकी प्लेसमेंट हो जाएगी, काफी अच्छी होगी. अगर आप कोर इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन करना चाहते हो तो गुड लक. एंड देन हम बोलते हैं कि व्हाई डोंट वी हैव गुड इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन इन इंडिया, बिकॉज इट्स अ विशियस साइकिल. ऐसे नहीं कि बच्चों को नहीं आता है, बट देन बच्चों को जॉब नहीं मिलता है, देन वो इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन से शिफ्ट होके यूआई यूएक्स में चले जाते हैं, फिर और कहीं पे चले जाते हैं. एंड I'm really glad, like, like, I have some friends who, like, उन लोग की भी internship नहीं लगी है industrial design. I have, like, this one friend, great, insane work with form and stuff. And उसकी internship नहीं लगी थी. And he had opportunity to go in UI UX. He was like, मेरा graduation project है, मेरा thesis project है. मुझे तो करना है मुझे करना है CMF, मुझे करना है इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन. लगेगी तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो मैं सेल्फ स्पॉन्सर्ड इज when you do the project but not under a company, but it's self-sponsored, like if that makes sense. What the internships I'm talking about is our final year capstone thesis projects, like the graduation projects, 6-month projects. So you can either find a company to sponsor it or you can self-sponsor it. And I'm really motivated. And ये बस हर चीज में ठीक है. Like people who want to work in automotive में there's only some studios who are hiring, there's only some companies, like can I name companies, like some Indian
Yeah.
companies that are
Hmm, hmm,
hiring.
hmm.
Ather and all are doing really good work. They hire sometimes. I don't know much about automotive, to be completely honest. एंड कहीं पे मेरा पूरा जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ 4 years में है, हमारी भी गलती है. हमारा एजुकेशन भी कहीं पे लैक करता है, बिकॉज हमें कॉलेज में जो पढ़ा रहा है और जो एक्चुअल काम होता है उसमें इतना बड़ा डिस्कनेक्ट है. आई डू नॉट नो वो डिस्कनेक्ट कहाँ पे आ रहा है, कैसे आ रहा है, बट जो कॉलेज में पढ़ाता है वैसे तो काम नहीं होता, इज ऑल आई एम सेइंग। तो क्या इंडस्ट्रीज की गलती है कि वो लोग, मतलब आप बच्चे एक तो ले रहे हो, आप उनको पैसे दे रहे हो, ऊपर से आपको सिखाना भी पड़ रहा है, राइट? लाइक थोड़ा तो कुछ आना चाहिए बच्चों। लाइक देर आर पीपल ग्रेजुएटिंग फोर्थ ईयर राइट नाउ हु डोंट नो बेसिक सॉफ्टवेयर। सो डिस्कनेक्ट हर जगह पे है। कॉलेज ठीक से सिखा नहीं रहा है बच्चों को, कहीं ना कहीं पे छूट आ रही है। मार्केट में उतनी डिमांड है नहीं जितना डिजाइनर्स प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे, जितना प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनर इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइनर निकल रहे हैं, आधे यूएक्स में जाने वाला है। जो विच इज फाइन, लाइक प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनर्स कैन डू यूएक्स, आई एम नॉट सेइंग वी कांट, वी डू यूएक्स, राइट? ठीक है। बट ऑल आई एम सेइंग इज कोर इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन को अगर देखा जाए तो कहीं पे उतनी डिमांड भी नहीं है, एंड इट्स बेसिकली साइकिल है वो।
That is the entire demographic of engineering as well.
हो
I mean, यही तो हो रहा है ना
इंजीनियरिंग वालों को क्या प्लेसमेंट की दिक्कत है यार? एवरी अदर डे वी सी की
no,
2.5 करोड़ का पैकेज आईआईटीएन ले लिया।
that is again, those are outliers, right?
ओके।
But if you talk about the general masses, it's the
या
same goddamn thing. You go through the 4 years, and then
हाँ
most of the people that graduate are like that gap that you talked about between industry
हाँ
and what is being what you're doing in college.
या आई हैव फ्रेंड्स इन इंजीनियरिंग लाइक फोर्थ ईयर के एंड में। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर कि आई डोंट नो व्हाट डीएसए इज, ठीक है? आई जस्ट नो कि इट्स समथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट दैट पीपल डू फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स। आई रिमेम्बर टू ऑफ देम टॉकिंग कि भाई मैं डीएसए फेल हुआ, एंड लाइक दिस पर्सन वाज सिटिंग फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स तभी, एंड द अदर वन वाज लाइक स्क्रीमिंग एट देम कि पागल है करके, क्या कि लाइक फिगर इट आउट करके। एंड देन व्हेन आई आस्क्ड देम, देन दे वर लाइक, सो द अदर वन जस्ट गोस कि ओ दिस पर्सन कांट कोड, लाइक दिस पर्सन कांट राइट अ लाइन ऑफ कोड। एंड आई वाज लाइक ये फोर्थ ईयर सीएस के बच्चे हैं, एंड दैट हिट्स क्लोज टू होम टू, राइट? मेरे ओके, आई गिव यू एन आइडिया, ठीक है? बिकॉज आई डाइसन इज, आई जस्ट हैव वाटर, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड। Dyson is not the only competition I did. I did like a lot of competitions this year. I did Taiwan, I did India Skills, and I'll tell you little about India Skills. ठीक है? India Skills में playing field काफी level था, because I was competing against the DTU ये सब के बच्चे, and I was bronze, and the person who was gold was Abhin, and what he basically said was उसी के एज के बच्चे, so he went to world skills, right? Whoever is gold goes to world skills. He went to world skills and he was like, भाई चाइना कोरिया वगैरह से जो लोग आए थे, insane, like their work was just that good, and this guy was the best in the country, right? Like Abhin, his work's great, shout out to him, so good with modeling and everything, like, and he was saying ki they completely blow you out of the water. And that's the same with, I'm forgetting, like I was going to tell you about something. Yeah, that's the same with Dyson. ठीक है, तो I'll give you an idea. मेरा entry, which is the national, okay, full rant mode में जा रहा है, but मेरा
Go on,
entry,
please.
मेरा entry, which is the best in India, and then you see what's the best in Ireland, and I'm like you know what I'm saying, like you know what I'm saying, and you see like the kind of work that Germany में थर्ड फोर्थ ईयर के बच्चे आर डूइंग, एंड यू सी द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट वी आर डूइंग इन अ फोर्थ ईयर। वो लोग अपने फाउंडेशन, वो लोग अपने फर्स्ट ईयर में कर रहे हैं ऐसा काम, एंड आई डोंट नो ये लैग कहाँ पे आ रहा है, हमारा एजुकेशन इतना पीछे कैसे रह रहा है? लाइक हम लिटरली कंट्री के बेस्ट कॉलेज से हैं, एंड देन फोर्थ ईयर तक बच्चों को स्किल्स क्यों नहीं आते हैं? क्या ये कॉलेज की गलती है? क्या ये बच्चों की गलती है? किसकी गलती है ना? कॉलेज बोलेगा बच्चे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, बच्चे बोलेंगे कॉलेज कुछ सिखाता नहीं है, फैकल्टीज नहीं है, कौन किसको ब्लेम करे? और जो लोग खुद से काम कर लेते हैं वो तो निकल जाते हैं, उनको तो काम आ जाता है। एंड या कमिंग बैक टू इंडस्ट्री, अपॉर्चुनिटीज तो कम है। अदर देन यूआई यूएक्स, आई एम नॉट सीइंग गुड प्लेसमेंट्स फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन। there are some companies who are doing really good work in industrial design, they do hire, but अगर मेजोरिटी देखे जितना, लाइक अगर एक 25 बच्चों का बैच निकल रहा है, क्या 25 कंफर्टेबली खुशी खुशी प्लेस हो पा रहे हैं? मे बी नहीं, बट क्या वो 25 प्लेसमेंट के काबिल हैं? मे बी नॉट। तो बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द स्टोरी आर ट्रू।
I have a friend, and he has been in the domain of video editing and directing documentaries and all that jazz back from when we were in seventh. He started
क्रेजी।
that. and at that time he was doing it at the school level, participating in
हाँ हाँ.
competitions for the school and
हम्म
everything.
हम्म
By the time COVID hit and a year into it, he
हम्म.
started freelancing and was taking clients from
Crazy,
outside US
crazy,
majorly.
crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Today his work has been, uh, if it's cited, if that's the right word, on
Hmm.
IMDb, right? He
Oh,
has his own agency and he's not doing
हाँ
college. Why? Because
हाँ
he's earning just so much.
हाँ.
And what
Hmm.
exactly is the like entire frame of mind, like taking this decision that
Yeah.
is too much away from the decision that the majority takes here, because the significance of
Hmm.
college in a degree is extremely
Yeah.
invaluable in our country, right? It's
हाँ
emphasized
हाँ हाँ.
upon very much.
Hmm.
He's like, as we were talking about just before recording, the value of degree to him is nothing. Like,
Yeah,
does he goes to
absolutely.
film school? What does he do? He's already earning so much. He has an established business of sorts, and he's doing what he has loved doing since past 6 years. Like,
Huh.
what more?
Okay, so I'll give you an opinion on it. Ki I don't think what you're saying I completely agree with. Just because he's earning all that much, good for him. And not touch wood. All I'm saying is ki sure he's earning that much, but he's not credible because he's earning that much. He's credible because of the sheer amount of projects he's worked on. Uska skill utna hai. Even if he was not earning that much, no, and usko utna kaam aata tha, he would still be better than most film school degree holders that are graduating today. ठीक है. There are people who are graduating with communication design like right now from our design colleges. Basic editing नहीं आती होगी. Basically, when I'm speaking for myself, or the only person I can speak for is myself, right? I know people who did not go to college for product design and stuff, and crazy skills, crazy. I think that's like the only parameter. And लोग होता है ना कि कॉलेज में डिजाइन थिंकिंग सिखाता है, माइंडसेट सिखाता है, ये सब सिखाता है. यस, कॉलेज में आपको वो स्पेस मिलता है, आप डिजाइन थिंकिंग सीखते हो, एलिमेंट्स ऑफ कंपोजिशन आप बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड मैनर में सीखते हो. बट देर दैट इज नथिंग दैट यू कांट लर्न ऑन बाय योर सेल्फ. देर आर पीपल जो घर पे बैठ के कोर्सेज तो छोड़ दो यार. लाइक आई थिंक कोर्सेज से तो क्या ही हो रहा है. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कोर्सेज, आई डोंट अग्री विद कोर्सेज. Take do what you love and like the stuff that you really like. And if you just everything is skill, right? Drawing is a skill. कोई पैदा नहीं हुआ था और उसको drawing नहीं आती थी. You just do it so much that you develop that skill. And that's the same with video editing. Filmmaking and video editing quite different, but yeah, anything that you want to do, वो sensibility जो आती है ना, वो काम करके ही आती है. And I'm trying to develop that myself. And yeah, I don't think college वो sensibility कभी दे पाया as much as खुद से काम करके, दूसरों का काम देख के, दूसरों से सीख के आता है वो. बट आई डू नॉट थिंक डिग्रीज रेलेवेंट है इतना,
See, that is
बिकॉज डिग्री किसी को भी दे रहा है एट दिस पॉइंट, मेरे को तो लग रहा है.
right. And uh, as you very rightly said, the credibility is based upon the kind of work that you are able to
हम्म.
collect for yourself,
हाँ.
and earning becomes a byproduct of it.
Yeah.
And what happens is, the reason why he was able to convince his parents that,
हाँ.
okay, I do not want to do a degree, which becomes a big thing for
हाँ.
most Indian parents, was because they saw कि in India, especially, there is a direct correlation of having a degree to having financial security in life,
Yeah.
right? Him being able to become financially stable through garnering all this experience, industry experience, is what made him or rendered him being able to convince his parents and take this unconventional path of sorts. But I agree, degree is, it's a very mixed bag. It depends upon your individual situation,
अगर हाँ,
but you do not
अगर
need
बस
it.
डिग्री, या अगर बस डिग्री से काम चल रहा होता, these companies won't be asking for our portfolios, right?
Correct, correct.
they would have been like, हाँ सारे इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइनर ही तो है, ले लो करके. They're
Hmm.
asking for the portfolio. पोर्टफोलियो में आप इंटर्नशिप प्रोजेक्ट्स डालते हो, खुद के प्रोजेक्ट्स डालते हो, बिकॉज इट शोज इंटरेस्ट. स्किल तभी आती है जब इंटरेस्ट आता है. मेरे को अनफॉर्चुनेटली काफी लेट इंटरेस्ट आया, विच इज वाई आई एम लाइक, यू कैन हियर द रिजेंटमेंट इन मी की ओके सो आई एम मे बी नॉट एज गुड एज आई वॉन्ट टू बी. बट वो एक बार आपको रियलाइज होता है ना कि कॉलेज नहीं सिखा रहा है, एंड देन आपको खुद करना है जो करना है, तो यू लुक अप टू योर सीनियर्स, यू सी व्हाट दे आर डूइंग राइट, यू सी what your peers are doing right, and you try to emulate that. At least that's what I'm trying to do, Abhi.
Hmm. So now a little about the process of the entire
Yeah.
conception of Novocari at large.
Yeah, yeah. So, all right. Okay. So this was actually a classroom project, which was technically complex project, which we have to do in our sixth semester. Every semester we have to do one project from the birth to the like finishing problem statement to everything. Like एक हर semester it's called a design project, and every discipline has to do it. सीडी वालों को फिल्म्स बनानी रहती है, टाइप फेसेस बनाने रहते हैं. वी हैव टू डू प्रोडक्ट, लाइक वी हैव सिंपल प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन विच इज you have to do it without any electronics involved. There is technically complex product design, which is sorry, technically complex project, technically complex project, which is product project TCP. It's called TCP, which is electronics involved, whatever you want involved in it, sensors, whatever you want. There is DISCO, which is display and control, which is you have to do the HMI of a product. And फिर क्या होता है? The last DP we do is systems, which is a systemic level project where you have to study a system from a very macro level and then pick a problem and then solve it. So through strategy, through product design, whatever you want to do. So this was for my sixth semester TCP, technically complex product, and I started off looking at the cold storage of medicines in general. I narrowed down to supply chains and all of it, and eventually I ended up choosing diabetes, insulin, because I found a user group that was close to home. I could find a lot of people to talk to. A lot of injectables actually require uh, cold storage. Like I think rheumatoid arthritis ka medicine requires cold storage, IBD ka medicine requires cold storage, growth hormones require cold storage, but diabetes was something that was closer to home, more accessible to me, and that's why I picked diabetes. And I found a lot of people to talk to. I had my dad, obviously, who was a type 2 diabetic from the last 20 some years. I found some other girls like who are based out of colleges, schools, working professionals who are either type 1 diabetics. So type 1 is जिन लोग को बचपन से होता है. Their pancreas is like so their body is unable to produce any insulin. And then there are type 2 diabetics जो lifestyle की वजह से हो जाता है, which is like our fathers. And yeah, so that's about it. And yeah, so that was like a 8 week project, and I had great mentorship through it. I had my faculty was Wazir, helped me a lot through it. He put me in touch with his friend at Godrej who had worked on beer coolers. Pehle he came up with the beer cooler for Godrej, which was Cube, and I think it's a beer cooler. I might be missing it. It's called Cube, QUBE, and he worked on that project at least, and he knew a lot about it. And his name is Tojo, and he helped me on it. And then I also had some faculties, like some like faculties, like not exactly related to the course, but they did take up the project, like they did mentor me through it. Brajendra sir, as I told you. And yeah, so I had great mentorship through it. I had a lot of support from so like from the get go, we knew that the idea was like the ball was rolling, like it was just not going to be like an academic project, because it was showing a lot of potential from the get go. Like all of the competitors that we were finding, कहीं ना कहीं पे वो lack था that we could meet. कहीं कोई कोई बहुत बड़ा था, कोई कोई बहुत had insufficient like sorry had too much space. In fact, some of them had like 8 vials, 10 vials ka space, and we wanted to make a very deeply personal product, like which would be like a companion to your journey, which is like your phone or your wallet or your power bank. And yeah, so I think that's how it went. And I would to credit it all to mentorship. I think 50% of any good project is you and 50% is mentorship. So finding good people, like having good people to like through their experience guide the way really helps, and I was very grateful to have the support that I did.
I've always felt that finding good mentorship is almost a coin toss. Like you just happen to come across somebody, and
Huh.
is there any other? Do you agree to that, or like do you have any other approach or way to reaching out or and getting in touch with a mentor that is good for you?
So okay, if I have to talk about the mentors for this project, like wait, the camera seems very off. Yeah. So uh, if I have to talk about the mentors for this project, like how I came across them was very naturally, right? So Brajendra sir, who is at Frog, right now Frog is a design agency. He, I knew him beforehand, and I sought his expertise because he's also a product designer. So I knew like this is going to like he has like the expertise that I required to understand and to make sure that the project is very well fleshed out. And Wazir was obviously the course assigned faculty, so we had good touch wood. Often we don't see this कि अच्छे faculties आ रहे हैं, but Wazir is a great faculty, and we had like really good support. And like he brought his experience. He was at Godrej at one point, so he brought his experience from then, and that really helped me out. And he put me in touch with Tojo. And so you know that, as I said, I think I started off the call saying ki brick by brick, like step by step. And kahin na kahin pe you just have to put yourself forward. And like he put me in touch with Tojo, and that like really helped snowball the project. And yeah, so like good mentorship, it's a gamble. I understand it's a gamble. I've also had very bad faculties who have completely tanked projects, but often you are very lucky to have good faculties too. And but why na ki imagine if my faculty who was assigned for the course, who was very good, had not been good. I would have still reached out to external people that I'll already look up to and see if they would be available to mentor me on it. And that I think is very important कि ओके कॉलेज में जो आपको फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका थीसिस प्रोजेक्ट है, आपको जो भी प्रोफेसर असाइन हुआ है मे बी ही इज नॉट गुड, आप इंडस्ट्री मेंटर्स को रीच आउट करो ना, आपको रोक थोड़ी रहा है. लाइक समवन और द अदर will like your project, will like what you're doing, and will take it up. And that is the make or break, I think.
Again, coming back to the, I think the very foundational aspects of this, what is the difference between the way a designer approaches a project
Hmm.
with a physical product or
Huh.
project versus a digital online project or product?
Okay, so all right. So a good designer, or a rather like any designer, you don't approach it from the point of product or digital product from the get go, right? Again, I think I picked this up from one of my mentors where they said ki you are designing experiences. Design is to design human experiences. Physical हो, नहीं tangible हो, intangible हो, strategy के through हो, systemic हो, anything like आप ऐप बना रहे हो, आप प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो, फर्नीचर बना रहे हो, कुछ भी बना रहे हो, वो बाद में आता है, ह्यूमन एक्सपीरियंस पहले आता है. तो once you have that sort of figured out कि बेस सबका सेम है, how it ends up manifesting is different. You are supposed to, you do not go in ki oh, at least for my process, I do not go into a project thinking ki oh, I want to make a physical product that looks like this. No, you might know कि you have to make a product out of this, but you have to understand कि you need to figure out the user flows, the human experience around the product with the product, and then you can sort of get into the like how it's going to look, the ergonomics of the product, the all of it, that comes later. And a lot of the a lot of problems often can be solved through, like okay, so how do I say this? I think it's very incomplete to think कि um, ये डिजिटल है, ये डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनर है या फिर ये फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनर है या फिर ये फर्नीचर डिजाइनर है. आई थिंक डिजाइन प्रोसेस हर जगह पे काइंड ऑफ कल्मुलेटिव एंड सिमिलर ही होता है. एंड इट इज ओनली the manifestations that's different, right? So I hope that makes sense. Like you need to sort of understand that the design process remains the same. Like I'm blabbering on, but what I'm trying to say is ki the design process is the same. Like we follow the same, empathize, find a problem, and all of that. And once you have that figured out, I think everything else will come to you naturally, digital or physical or all of it.
That makes perfect sense. But again, how do you do that? This last bit that you mentioned, empathizing with the user, keeping the user first, making sure that whatever you're designing is user centered, user centric. How do you do that? All of it.
Okay, so the traditional design process that we follow, I think it's empathize, define, ideate, and prototype, if I'm not wrong. And just a second, I'm getting a notification. No, I'm so sorry, I had to close the tab. So empathize is you pick a problem and you empathize with the user, you understand their human experience and where the friction points are. And the next is define. You have to define the problem, you have to define the you have to have a how might we statement, right? How might we, what, who, and context. What are you going to solve, who are you going to solve it for, and how are you going to solve it? So you need to exactly like have everything needs to be very tangible, ठीक है? Like it cannot be very vague कि oh I want to create, मेरे को ऐसा experience create करना है. That might not work. It needs to be very cut to cut, which is how might we uh, in fact like you are actually, it's actually told to you कि like जितना सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो प्रॉब्लम को कर लो. लाइक आप एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो, आप सारे सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हो एक प्रोजेक्ट में. आप अगर एक सिंगल प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व करो, दैट्स लाइक a lot. So that is defined, and then there is ideate, which is ideation, and then prototype, which is prototype testing and all of it. So there are various design methods, design processes. Like there's hundreds of them. Every designer has their own design process, but this is what was taught to me and this is what I follow. And yeah, like this is like the standard one that's taught in schools and stuff. So I really believe in the empathize and define part. Like if you have those two down, Baki will come to you.
It is an extremely creative, intensive process, right?
Yeah.
Do you think that a knack for designing or artistry can be, because it can be developed and enhanced, sure,
Mm-hmm.
but for people who are like, okay, I'm not very artsy or not very
Huh.
good with the color scheming and all of that, do you
Huh.
think it can be developed? If yes, how exactly, for somebody who's
Okay.
just starting out?
Okay. So I'll tell you what. I do not believe in talent, like if that makes sense. Like I do not believe in I believe that other people are talented, but for the average person, for me, maybe we are not talented. Was not born with a set of talents. Okay. Sure, there's people who are very talented at what they do. Talent exists, but perhaps I did not like hit the jackpot there. And what we must do if we are not innately talented, like if we did not pick up a brush and हम masterpieces नहीं paint कर पा रहे थे, हमें skill develop करना पड़ता है. Everything is a skill, right? Designing is also a skill. Creativity is also a skill. It's a muscle. Every muscle can be trained. आप इनफ स्विम करो तो आपके limbs are accustomed to it. You get better at something the more you do it. The more you sketch, the more आर्ट. क्या होता है आर्टसी होना? लाइक फॉर मी आर्टसी होना ऑब्जर्वेंट होना होता है कि आप अपने आप अपने अराउंड चीजों को ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो बहुत अच्छा. आप समझ सकते हो चीजों को. आप बहुत लाइक यू आर वेरी गुड एट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ह्यूमंस, यू आर वेरी गुड एट अंडरस्टैंडिंग things, like in the sense ki your observation is very good. I think NID also looks like in our first, when we prepare for NID, this is what we hear ki have your observation down to point. Like observation must be completely, like you should have sorted out that part ki very observant, very aware of your surroundings. सो आर्ट्सी होना और फिर क्या हो गया कि इट्स लिटरली अ स्किल. आप दुनिया देख रहे हो, स्केच कर लो. एक मीडियम की बात है, आप स्केच करो, आप पेंट करो, आप पेस्टल से करो, आप कुछ भी करो, आप ह्यूमन फिगर बनाओ, तो आप एक एक ह्यूमन फिगर बनाओ, आप दो बनाओ, आप 10 बनाओगे, आपसे बन जाएगा लिम्स. बिकॉज आप जब ड्रॉ करते हो ना, तो आप लाइक इफ आई एम टू ड्रॉ यू राइट नाउ with my limited skill, I would try to understand the physiognomy of your face very well. Like I would try to understand इसके eyebrows कितने दूर में placed है, like what's the shape of his head and all of it. And आप जितना ड्रॉ करोगे, आप उतना ज्यादा ऑब्जर्व करोगे, आप जितना ज्यादा ऑब्जर्व करोगे, आप उतना बेटर ड्रॉ करोगे, राइट. सो इट्स जस्ट अ मसल, आई थिंक. अनलेस आप बहुत innately talented हो, मैं नहीं हूँ, a lot of people around me are not, but what they did were कि they picked up a medium, digital हो गया, पेन हो गया, ब्रश हो गया, जो भी, and they stuck to it and they did did their due diligence ki they drew, they painted, and now it has become like a muscle to them. So if someone is starting out, the advice I would give them is ki koi, like, I was not born with a brush, right? Like someone handed a brush to me and taught me how to draw. And if I had been more, be very strict in your practice, something I lack. So do as I say, not as I do. And I say ki be very strict in your practice, be very strict with yourself, be extremely disciplined, because I see discipline really does take a lot of people far. A lot of my friends who are very disciplined in how they work, great work, like they're very good work, insanely good work. And discipline is like what makes someone like either very good at what they do or mediocre at what they do. Or maybe because of the lack of discipline, you might not pick up something. Like, for example, I never picked up maths because I was just not disciplined enough to sit and exercise it like a muscle. I'm sure like there are people talented at maths, but there must also be people who just got better at maths because they sat with the problem, they sat with their books and just grinded at it for very long and chipped little, and now they are pretty decent at it. And
The
I
story
never
of
did
my
that.
life. Hmm.
Yeah, I never did that, so
I
I
get
fell
it.
back.
Hmm.
I fell back kahin na kahin pe. But with arts is the same. uh, no one is born and they're writing like Shakespeare, right? Like you need to read, and you need to write, and eventually you'll write something fantastic. So that's
It is all about, okay, there are these different innate advantages that everybody, regardless of how worthless anybody thinks that they are, they have got some sort of an edge.
I
Just
disagree. I
hmm.
disagree. Like नहीं, नहीं है आपको एज. आप तराश तराश के बना लो. लाइक आई डोंट थिंक कि मेरे को कोई एज था. आई वाज पर्टिकुलरली गुड एट
Hmm.
एनीथिंग. आई एम पर्टिकुलरली गुड एट एनीथिंग. बट just through the sheer misery ki I am not good at anything, you have to become better at something. Like वो तो I think placebo, हम like वो हम बस खुद को pat on the back देते रहते हैं कि oh someone is good, everyone is good at something, सबके पास कोई ना कोई talent होती है. नहीं होती है. Like I think we need
No,
to
no, no.
accept that कि
I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about talent. That's, you're
yeah,
right. But
हाँ,
it's just, you have something that if you want, you can look at it as something that might be able to fuel you towards something greater. Like you said, that I do not have anything, but this
हाँ,
very circumstance and the situation that I do not have anything could become the the most volatile fuel to
हाँ,
push me into becoming something.
yeah.
And it's like, umpteen times, this exactly is what people get wrong. As you stated, like, हाँ नहीं है, ठीक है, there I do not see anything that I might be brilliant at, fine,
Mm-hmm.
but the muscle, as you said,
Yeah.
you grind until it becomes your second nature. It's engraved in
Yeah.
your muscle memory.
Yeah.
And it's with anything, like there isn't anything I
Huh.
feel that
You can't
cannot
pick
be.
up. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I'm
it's
pretty sure. I'll give you a very good story. Okay. So
hmm, hmm.
this is about my best. This is about my best friend, and his name's Gohan. And the dude failed engineering. Okay. Like he is very much older to me. The dude failed engineering, and like he was like actually failing in his courses. Okay. Like he was in some tier two college, and I he told me like he was failing in at it. One day he found like, so he was always interested in like philosophy, maths and all of it, but पढ़ाई नहीं होती थी भाई से. आई डोंट नो उसको कहाँ से प्योर मैथ्स का कीड़ा काटा. कहीं पे तो उसको कहीं ना कहीं पे वो हल्का सा इंटरेस्ट आ गया. ही वॉज नॉट गुड एट इट. रिमेंबर ही वॉज फेलिंग. डिडंट डू पर्टिकुलरली वेल इन ट्वेल्थ. कॉलेज में भी ही वॉज नॉट डूइंग पर्टिकुलरली वेल. कहीं पे वो हल्का सा उसने कोई लेक्चर देख लिया. टॉक टू समवन, आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट स्टोरी. दैट मैन लाइक इतना ह्यूज सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज he just watched every single lecture like he can find on YouTube online. He read everything that he could. He उसको प्योर मैथ समझना था, राइट? लाइक एंड वो ऑलमोस्ट बॉटम अप से स्टार्ट कर रही है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, राइट? लाइक ही दिस अ डूड इन कॉलेज. तो ओके, प्रीवियस अंडरस्टैंडिंग, प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंसेस, ऑल ऑफ इट इज देयर, बट नियरली बॉटम अप से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. पीपल माइट बी ट्रेनिंग फॉर दिस प्रोफेशन अपने बैचलर से ही या फिर अपने 11th 12th से. And then step by step, brick by brick, he built it up, and now he's at IIT Madras pursuing pure maths. And he's like, so abhi bhi he texts me ki bro, I'm like one of the worst people here. I'm like, at least you're one of them. Like you're one of the best. It's all right to be the worst in at when you're in a group of the best people in the country. And because आप अगर कहीं पे बेस्ट हो ना, like if you're best in a room, then you've like sort of outgrown that space, right? So might as well be the worst IIT Madras में rather than some NPC college that you were at and doing decent there. So yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Like he realized कि okay, ये चीज में हल्का सा interest आ रहा है, and then he was just at it, tuck 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 tuck, and then he figured it out, and he's still figuring it out. But and that's the same with design, right? Like I was telling you कि every 6 months मेरे को नया revelation होता है. Every 6 months I come across a new person who tells me a new thing that I really imbibe in myself, and I really take it forward. Like when we were talking, you were like, you're in foundation, right? Like you're in your first year. I was like, that's insane. Like this dude is in first year and he's like grinding so hard. Like even just the way you speak, like when you would text me, I was like, that's kind of crazy, right? Like the, you're just so professional, put together, and all of it. And I was like, भाई बच्चे इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं like first year maybe, and that's like that's something that I would take forward. Ki okay, that 18-year-old somewhere was doing this, and I should not be lazy, because I was also telling ki, like people would reach out over LinkedIn, or people would reach out ki, like, can you hop on this call or this, and I would just like ignore, and like I was just too shy to like put myself out there. And but I'm like, agar, if this kid can do it, then why can't I? And then I think that's how it goes. Ki you just pick things along the way, just get started somewhere, pick things along the way, and then you'll build a house. It's fine. Can't be that difficult. It can't be that difficult. Everyone does. Everyone figures it out, right? Like, so everyone will figure it out. How difficult could it be if you just like start? At least that's what I think.
Very true. I was wanting to do something like this, something that just, I don't know, something that I can call that, right, this is my own and I'm working,
Yeah.
building something from
Yeah.
ground
Yeah.
up. And I've been wanting to do it from as long as I can remember.
Yeah.
But then, and I was in that sort of loop of perfectionism. No, I before I put
Hmm.
something out, I wanted to be perfect. And I
Hmm.
realized just one day it clicked to me that nahi, I do not want it to
Huh.
be perfect. First, I have to get it out there.
Huh. Huh. Huh.
I need that Mark 1 or
Huh.
version 1 out there.
Huh. Huh.
And if you look at the first podcast, the first episode on the YouTube
Huh.
channel, you'll hear the audio quality and you'll be like, I cannot sit through this.
Okay.
Because I'm talking to an Oxford professor. His
Huh.
voice quality is extremely well. Mine is like it's a
Huh. Huh. Huh.
a broken
But
flute.
you learned, right? Like, because
Yes,
you did that first episode, you realized ki I need to work on voice. The next episode, you must have realized ki I need to put on better clothes. The
correct,
next
correct.
episode, you would have been like bal bana leta or something like that. I don't know,
Hmm,
like
hmm,
have a
hmm,
better
hmm,
script or
hmm,
something. And
hmm,
every
hmm.
with like the 100th episode, Ranveer Alavadia, here I come for your job.
That entirely is what it is. But okay, you know what? I think should we move on to the final segment of the
Yeah,
show,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
What would be your word to humanity at large?
Job de do. No, yeah, like that's what I'm saying. No, ki, like I do not know what my word to humanity would be because uh I'm still figuring it out. Like I'm saying, like I hope like you understand ki like I'm very much in the process of things and I still have not figured myself out or figured like where my position in the world is or what I'm here for or like what I'm supposed to do. Huge existential crisis and every day I think my one thing to humanity would be let me think. I think we can all be a little like kinder with each other. Like I don't think in the sense ki kinder with each other. Like okay, so I'll try to explain what I'm trying to say. Okay, we are so like cutthroat constantly like with each other like within colleges. Like I've just come out of a college and everything was just so competitive and like people were so cruel on themselves and I really think it's not that difficult. Everything is not that difficult. Like we really need to like take a step back and like I'm kind of free balling here. You can see like I'm making stuff up as I go along, but I'm trying to explain ki
I get it. Yes. Hmm.
it's fine. It's really like take a chill pill or whatever. It's going to be fine as long as step by step, right? Like it's not a sprint. I think it's called a sprint. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon.
Hmm. Hmm.
Be a little relaxed, be a little kinder to other people who are also trying because like I would see कि people are so cutthroat like with each others like एक दूसरे का काम को लेके खुद के काम को लेके एंड खुद के काम के पे तो शिट कर ही रहा है दूसरों के काम पे शिट कर रहा है दूसरों का काम चुरा रहा है ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है it's fine if we just enjoy what we do. Like I enjoy design, right? And I'm pretty sure you enjoy engineering. Just we can all be a little more like Guhan in that sense ki he just likes what he does and he does that like without fear of ki oh dusre log kya sochenge am I doing good enough. He just likes maths and he studies it all the time and but I think this also comes from a point of privilege where I'm saying this comes from a point of privilege ki maybe there are certain factors that I'm not taking into account and I do acknowledge ki wo hai but I don't think it चीजें इतनी difficult. We make it more difficult than it has to be. I hope that makes sense. Horrible answer, but I hope that makes sense.
No, I was able to take the crux of the matter. I think people viewing this would be able to take the crux of the matter.
All right.
But Miss Komal Panda, thank you so very much for
Yeah.
giving your time here. It was a delightful conversation, at the very least, and an extremely informative and profound at its
All right.
best. Thank you so much.
Good. Bye bye.
Okay,